Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 11th, 2023. We're going to talk about Ethereum today and how Letitia James, who is the New York Attorney General, is suing Kucoin. Now, that's not what I'm talking about on this video, but what was mentioned in that lawsuit against Kucoin is how she is stating that Ethereum is a security. Now, again, I understand that's been one of the running mantras for a while, ever since altcoins and cryptocurrencies has been in existence. Are these assets considered securities? Well, according to her, she thinks so. We're going to talk about that real quick, and then I'm going to give you all a price prediction if I think it needs one on the price chart. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this real quick. Here it is. Okay, this is the press release area for the Attorney General website. Letitia James is the current New York Attorney General. Here it is. He sues Kucoin for allowing investors in New York to buy and sell crypto without registering with the state. Now, you guys, I'll go ahead and have the link here in the description of this video. You guys want to continue to read it, but I don't waste my time on a lot of information, preferably when I'm looking for price direction, price action, because the chart already relays that information too. As you guys can see, I've already predicted that Ethereum was going to go lower in price already, even before this came out. Okay, so take a look. There's one thing I wanted to talk about though, and it's how adamant Letitia has been in going after cryptos, cryptocurrency exchanges. Like, just take a look at what I highlighted here from this press release. Last month, Attorney General James brought in action against Coin Exchange for similarly failing to register as a securities and commodities broker. So she's definitely going after the cryptocurrency space. In January, Attorney General James and a multi-state coalition recovered $24 million from the cryptocurrency platform Nexos for operating illegally and sued the former CEO of Celsius for defrauding investors. So that's three entities already: CoinEx, Nexo, and Celsius, and concealing the company's dire financial condition. In June 2022, she warned New Yorkers of the dangerous risk of investing in cryptocurrency after the market reached then record lows. And then in June, Attorney General James reached a nearly $1 million settlement with crypto platform BlockFi for offering unregistered securities. That's the fourth entity. Last March, Attorney James issued a taxpayer notice to virtual currency investors. Now she's going after taxpayer virtual currency investors. That's five entities she's running after, and their tax advisors to accurately declare and pay taxes on their virtual investments. In October 2021, Attorney General James directed unregistered crypto lending platforms to cease operations for not registering with the state. She's going hard. She's not playing around. Not at all. She's really trying to make sure that the civilians who are residents of New York, that she's going to battle for them. She wants to make sure that if you're going to come into this jurisdiction of New York, that you're going to follow our rules and our regulations. You're not just going to come here and think that you're going to produce and sell these securities without us knowing about it. Take a look at the lawsuit. Here it is right here. Okay, now take a look. I want to show you where she's mentioning that Ethereum is a security. Here it is right here, page 6 of the lawsuit. The developers of Ethereum promoted it as an investment that was contingent on the growth of the Ethereum network. For instance, the Ethereum Foundation notes on its website that many Ethereum users see it as an investment, similar to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In addition, the ICO documents included representations that Ethereum production would dramatically slow over time, resulting in Ethereum becoming increasingly scarce and thus more valuable. Indeed, the Ethereum Foundation claims on its website that users of Ethereum see it as a digital store of value because the creation of new Ethereum slows down over time. Since transitioning to the proof of stake consensus, possession of Ethereum translates directly to profit potential by earning staking rewards, i.e., Ethereum is a security. That is their basis. This is how they're claiming that Ethereum is a security. Now, a lot of other cryptocurrencies are also going through the same process, namely XRP, if it's a security or not, with the Securities and Exchange Commission. So now you got the Attorney General of New York saying that Ethereum is now a security. Will that impact the price though? Like for real, how do you think the Attorney General stating that Ethereum is a security going to impact this price? Now, already you can tell, I was looking for the price in Ethereum to go down anyway, way before this lawsuit was disclosed and press release on the website right there on the 26th of February 2023. And here it is today. The market actually is hitting our ultimate TP price that we related to you all on that day, way ahead of time. So 10.75% profitability was created and tagged on the 9th of March. Congratulations. Now, what do you think is going to happen here in Ethereum next? Because this could be a momentary place of support right there. Now, do you think that's going to hold though? That's the question. Do you think that this is the bottom? Do you think that this is the low of the market in Ethereum right now? Or do you think this is simply a resting place for Ethereum until a continued move down? See, one thing that we do on this channel is we simply follow price action. The market in Ethereum is trending down. We're not in a bullish market anymore in Ethereum. So you may think, take a look at that. So take a look at this. Do you think that the trend in Ethereum is still in place? Look at that. The market currently is bouncing off of this trend line. Fantastic. Something that we want to see, because you're not going to see this anywhere else. So I think we have here in front of us an area that we know where buyers currently are at, and we have the other area that we know sellers are at. So this is the conundrum. This is the problem with the market in Ethereum. Which of these lines do you think price is going to break? Because as time goes on, one of these lines will break when price trades either above or below it. Let's look at this on the 2-day chart real quick. Okay, so this last 2-day price bar here in Ethereum is showing us that the overall market is weak. Current 2-day price bar is telling us that buyers are currently coming into the market. Take a look on the 3-day chart. Okay, so to me, as of what I'm seeing right now on these time frames, 2-day, 3-day chart, is telling me that we need to wait. It's telling me that we need to get more confirmation of which side of the market is actually dominating. See, the market not only tells you the most probable way price is going to move, it also tells you when you want to be still and not move, and let the market give you more information as to which direction price is likely going to go. This is what I'm seeing right now. Seeing how price currently is bouncing off this trend line, I want to continue to see that, because if we do, then we understand that the market's going to lift higher. If we don't, then we're just going to simply follow the same premise as before. Price is going to continue to go lower in Ethereum, and it may continue to go lower down here towards $1,250, $1,250 all the way down to $1,200. That is the current idea that we need to hold on to as of today, right? We need to have that in the forefront of us, that the market in Ethereum is still going to go lower. But we also know that we have this trend in place that can stop Ethereum going lower. That is what I'm waiting for, because if we see price and buyers continue to hold on that trend line, then we already know that the market won't go no lower than $1,250 or even $1,200, because the buyers are currently putting a stoppage right now. So rather than me coming in and creating a price prediction, we are just going to simply hold on and be patient and wait and let everyone else risk their money, because the market would tell us whether or not Ethereum is going to continue to trend higher or lower. Because as of right now, looking at this on the daily chart, I can tell by the volume that is coming into market right now in Ethereum, and as well as us seeing the price closing off of the highs as of right now. Okay, we got 6 hours and 29 minutes left, but as of right now, this is telling me that the market is still getting hit with sellers, and it's coming in at a location of $1,480 to where you would suspect that Ethereum would be able to hold support, but now it is acting as resistance. So to me, I think the market's going to continue to trend down. I want us to see the buyers show up though, namely around this area here. Okay, so if I were to do a forecast, I'm looking for the market to continue to hold price there, because if that's the case, then the market in Ethereum is going to lift. But if they don't hold it here, price is going to go down to $1,250 to $1,200. I'm just saying. I'm just preparing you all for the likely outlook as to how price is going to move in Ethereum. Okay, so give me your thoughts. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We give you all the news according to the charts. We try to give you all a heads up as to where price is going to go way before we get this information of, Letitia James suing Kucoin or stating that Ethereum is a security. The chart has already related to us where price was going to go way before that information was released. I'm just saying, it's a lot of information on these charts. You guys got to learn how to dissect it and get ahead of your competition. That's what we do here. Join me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.